Archaeology pertaining to the health, development, and growth in fossil records is known as paleanthropology. By studying such fields, it helps anthropologists to gain a better perception on a behavior process and how someone, such as a criminal, goes about doing things. Although many forensic anthropologists begin as physical anthropologists and may continue to conduct research or teach in other areas of anthropology, the forensic investigator should not assume that any physical anthropologist is also a forensic specialist. Not all medical doctors are forensic pathologists, just as not all physical anthropologists study human bones. Many crime scene investigators and expert witnesses are essential to the growing field of criminology. Working along with archaeologists, physical anthropologists help lead the way because of their skills in bones and behavior. An archaeologist is an anthropologist who studies ancient cultures and people. Archaeology analyzes material remains, ranging from architecture, landscapes, artifacts, to material evidence such as stone tools, remains of structures, pottery, and animal bones. All artifacts left behind by prehistoric humans to more recent mankind. The study of the human past is difficult because many sites are buried and cannot be easily identified just by looking at the terrain. Additionally, many sites have changed over time due to transformational forces called toponymy. Archaeology is a proportional discipline. It assumes human stability over a place and time, but also knows that every civilization has its own distinctive history and that within each civilization there are similarities as well as differences. Although some archaeologists are trained in human osteology, most are not. An archaeologist can certainly be helpful in recovering buried remains. However, that person may not be familiar with the kinds of questions that are important in a forensic investigation. Linguistics anthropology is a relative study of languages and how it reflects and shapes common life. Humans are born with the skill to learn languages. However, the context and manner in which we learn then is actually mediated. Linguistics anthropology explores how the use of language is used to shape and produce patterns of communication, make groups of social identity within a culture, put together major cultural beliefs and ideologies. The knowledge then provides people with general cultural representation of social and natural worlds. Although the study of language families and the transmission of language over space are important for anthropology, anthropologists also study production, non-human primates communication, and the subtle implications of language. Anthropology is distinct in the U.S. because it is broken down into 4 fields: cultural, physical, linguistics, and archaeology. Franz Boas is the creator of these fields. He is known as the founding father of anthropology. Franz Boas is a highly regarded name in the anthropology field, just as James Watson is with DNA.